Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this Trezor keep metal. And as you can see, this is compatible with up to 24-word seed phrase. Security seal, sealed with plastic. So here's what the back looks like. This is really heavy, guys. Like the package. Crypto security made easy. No, I'm very impressed with how sturdy and heavy this package is. Must be really heavy duty stainless steel. Alright, so it's protected by plastic first. Then you have the security seal here. Open this up. Your recovery seed has unlocked invincibility. Scan for video tutorial. It's seriously super heavy, guys. What's this? I think this is a... no idea what this is. Pen or something? Oh, sorry. Dropped it. Alright. Let's see the... let's bust this open. Oh. It's honestly kind of awkward to... okay, there we go. There we go. Got it. Wow. Wow. So this is the tool. This is the tool to stamp into the stainless steel. Wow, this is really heavy duty and sturdy. Oh my gosh. Wish you guys could feel this through the video. It's seriously pretty... I'm impressed with how sturdy this is. Oh jeez. Oh, this is sick. Let's get the numbers, the press tool. Wow. No joke. This is seriously... yeah, this feels very secure, very heavy. Wow, you can hear how heavy duty it is. What else? I thought it came... I thought it was supposed to come with like security seal sticker, so I don't know where that is. There's nothing else in here, but yeah, where the... yeah, all it came with was this came here. Thought it was supposed to come with a pen too. What is this? Maybe this is the pen. Don't know what this is yet. Yeah, what the heck? It's just missing some items. Unless it's in here. No, it wasn't in here. Yeah, let me know. Oh, sorry. Let me know in the comment section if I'm missing anything. Yeah, nothing else in there. But yeah, it's supposed to come with some protective seals up here to make sure that once you stamp everything, it's not... let me see. Oh, maybe it's in here? Oh, yeah, it's in here. I think. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, it is in here. Okay, cool. Oh, look. Instructions and stuff. And here is the security stuff. So, got the instructions here. Let me lift it up, show you guys. So this opened up, you got the instructions. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, and the seals I was talking about. So very cool. This is what I was looking for. Cool. All right, everyone. Let me know what you think of this product in the comment section below, and I will catch you all in the next unboxing video. Take care, everyone. Later.